Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's been a few last week, but I've had a lot more this week. People sending me either a message or writing in the comments that they've been told or they've read on the web that Windows 10 will completely stop working when we get to end of support. I just want to make things clear here. There is no such thing as Windows 10 is going to stop working. It is untrue, and whoever is sharing this trash is sharing fake news. No Windows ever stopped working once they were at the end of support. What happens is you get to a point that if you use it without any updates, you are more and more at risk of getting malware and all sorts of security hazards over time. But nope, it's not the case. Someone actually shared me a screen that is pretending that it's going to tell you, well, Windows 11 or Windows 12 is the way to go, so you have to stop using Windows 10. And that screen doesn't go away. First of all, that screen doesn't even exist. It was invented by somebody. The other thing is, I don't even think Windows 12 will be there next year, which also adds to the no, that won't be. And the other thing is, yes, there will be a pop-up, and I think the pop-up that is being used is one that I've shown you here at some point where the computer tells you that, well, you're getting to end of support and blah, 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 but and you should move on to Windows 11. But there is a little place where you click and it says, no, I don't want it. And that pop-up goes away. So whatever you decide to do, whatever happens, using Windows 10 without security updates is not a good idea, but of course some will continue using it like that. Like all versions of Windows that happened before, some continue using it, even if they don't get any updates anymore. The other thing is, you will have support for 3 years if you want to pay for it. So that means Windows 10 is also extending 3 years because of that. So your PC is not ending its life next year. You can pay for 3 years of extended support, and you will have 3 more years of that wonderful PC you have. And like I said, those that do not do that, the PC still works. You'll be able to continue using it. What's going to happen, though, is that as time goes by, not only are you more at risk, but more and more software will stop supporting Windows 10, as it will be an old version of Windows suddenly. So, nope, do not believe those that say that Windows 10 is just going to stop with a big full screen, move on to Windows 11 or 12 and just freeze there. It ain't going to happen, and that's fake news on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.